Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today I decided to bring you guys along on a tree job we're gonna do. So there's 5 pines we're taking down, and then one somewhat dead cherry. So everything you see here in front, minus this guy, is gonna go, except for this hickory tree. So pretty straightforward, notch drop. The cherry tree, we're gonna have to set a line in. It leans back a little bit, and then just put it down right through the path of all these pines we're taking down. You can see the base is a little rotted. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see. Plus, you got that back lead there. Probably doesn't look that big on camera, but it's big enough. But I'll get a line up there and set a pulley over there somewhere and notch and pull her over. So that's kind of the goal today. Homeowner is gonna burn all the pine and whatnot, so I got the tractor here at the grapple to move everything. So it's a nice rainy day. Yesterday was in the 80s, hot. Today it's in the 50s and rain, so much better. So yeah, we'll get going here. I'll get you guys set up and All right, guys. Well, that's a easy day, obviously. One of the time lapses, I know battery died on the camera, so it stopped recording, but I was just setting a throw line and got the rope in there and put a pulley to a tree. Obviously you saw the rest, notch, pull, so on. But pretty easy day. They're actually going to be using that area for their chickens, so we left pretty much a little bit of the tree, not chickens, goats. We left the cherry stump with a couple of the spars coming off, and they're elevated so they could have, you know, the goats climb on it. So a pretty unique scenario there, but it was pretty easy. It sucked. It was cold, wet, rainy. So, but yeah, that's just another day. But yeah, it went well. It wasn't too bad. We could, you know, burn the stuff right there. So beats hauling it out there. The ground was soft. So, but that's springtime. That's just how it goes. Unfortunately, this year we've had a lot more rain than we did the last previous years. So ground's wet. And as you know, it didn't get that cold this winter, so the ground never really froze. I mean, it probably did for a little bit, but ground's soft right now. But it is what it is. So, but yeah, that's just day in the life, I guess, for me. But it's pretty easy stuff today. Obviously stuff could have went wrong. Could have dropped it on the shed or the chicken coop shed or the fence that was right there, but it's pretty textbook stuff for us. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll try to get some more tree jobs that we do. Keep you informed on what's going on here with the wood, the wood yard, the boiler stuff here. Boiler's been running good though, can't complain. Even though it's been warmer out, there's barely any heat load on it. So I'm not, right now, the only thing it's heating is the water. So, but anyways, as always, keep burning.